Unit 4. Development of the learners at various stage. Week 10. Topic: Prenatal period. Prenatal development, also called antenatal development in humans. The process encompassing the period from the formation of the embryo through the development of the fetus to birth, participation, human fetus, prenatal development. There are three stages of prenatal development. First, germinal, second, embryonic, and third, fetal. The germinal period, week 1 to 2. The germinal period, week 1 to 2, the mother and father DNA is passed on the child at the moment of conception. The genetic makeup and sex of the baby are set at this point. The germinal period, about 14 days in the length, lasts from conception to implementation of the zygote, fertilized egg in the lining of the uterus. The embryonic period, week 3 to 8. After conception, your baby begins a period of dramatic change, known as the embryonic stage. This stage runs from the 5th through the 10th week of the pregnancy. During this stage, the baby is called an embryo. There are numerous changes that occurs during the embryonic stage. The fetal period, week 9 to 40. 9 to 12 weeks, the sex organs begins to different. By the 10th week, the fetus has all its body parts, including external genitalia. In the following weeks, the fetus will develop hair, nails, teeth, and excretory and digestive system will continue to develop. At the end of the 12th week, the fetus is about 3 inches long and weight about 28 grams. During the fetal stage, the brain develops and the body adds size and weight until the fetus reaches full-term development. Full-term start at 39 weeks. In the past, a baby born anytime between 37 weeks and 42 weeks has considered term. A pregnancy is now considered full-term at 39 weeks. Week 11. Topic: Physical development of infants and toddlers. Infants and toddlers. An infant and toddlers grow their determination to master movement, balance, and fine and gross motor skills remain strong. Rolling and crawling, of course, is infant development skills in using large muscle groups. Grasping and picking up objects with fingers are signs of the small muscle skills growth. Infants. Milestone skills such as taking a first step, smiling for the first time, and waving bye-bye are called developmental milestones. Developmental milestones are things most children can do by a certain age. Children reach milestones in how they play, learn, speak, behave, and move, like rolling, walking, or jumping. Toddler. They've had a first birthday. According to the Centers of Disease Control, CDC, kids between the age of 1 and 3 are considered toddlers. If your baby has celebrated their first birthday, they've automatically been promoted to toddlerhood. Motor development. Along this aspect of motor development, infants and toddlers begin reflexes to gross motor skills and fine motor skills. Reflexes. The newborn has some basic reflexes which are, of course, automatic and serve as survival mechanism before they have the opportunity to learn. Sucking reflex. The sucking reflex is initiated when something touches the roof of infant mouth. Infants have strong sucking reflex which helps to ensure they can latch onto a bottle or breast. The sucking reflex is very strong in some infants and they may need to suck on a pacifier for comfort. Rooting reflex. The rooting reflex is most evident when an infant's cheek is stroked. The baby responds by turning his or head in direction of the touch and opening their mouth for feeding. Curling reflex. The curling reflex, when the inner sole of a baby's foot is stroked, the infant responds by curling his or her toes. When the outer sole of a baby's foot is stroked, the infant will respond by spreading out their toes. Gripping reflex. Babies will grasp anything that is placed in their palm. The strength of this grip is strong, and most babies can support their entire weight in their grip. Physical development. Physical development (PD) is the growth and development of both the brain and body in infancy and early childhood. Physical development is the growth and development of both brain and body and involves developing control of muscles and physical coordination. Starter Moro reflex. Infants will respond to sudden sounds or movements by throwing their arms and legs out and throwing their heads back. Most infants will usually cry when startled and proceed to pull their limbs back into their bodies. Week 12. Topic: Cognitive Development of Infants and Toddlers. Sensorimotor development. The sensorimotor stage typically takes place within the first 2 years of a child's life. It is marked by the child discovering the difference between themselves and their environment. At that point, they will use their senses to learn things about both themselves and their environment. Object permanence. The object permanence is the understanding that objects continue to exist even when they cannot be sensed. This is a fundamental concept studied in the field of developmental psychology, the subfield of psychology that addresses the development of young children's social and mental capacities. Language development. Language development of humans is a process starting early in life. Infant starts without knowing a language, yet by 10 months, babies can disguise speech, sounds, and engage in the babbling. 3 to 12 months. In this period, the baby will most likely go and laugh, play with sounds, begin to communicate with gestures like having babbling is important development stage during the first year. 12 to 18 months. At this age, children often say their first words with meaning. For example, when your child says dada, your child is actually calling for dad. In the next few months, your child will make adding more words to their vocabulary. Your child can understand more than they can say and can follow simple instruction too. For example, your children can understand you when you say no. 18 months to 2 years old. 18 months to 2 years old. In your child's second year, their vocabulary has grown and they will start to put two words together into short sentence. Your child will understand much of what you say and what can understand what your child says to most of the time. So that's all my report. Thank you.